And this is public, right? So you can see we've earned 200K there, 900K there, $1.1 million just from this method alone, right? We didn't do it overnight. It takes time. But the thing is, if, you know, the best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time to start is today, right? And so if you start now, you can start building up a good Upwork profile, get reviews, list a service. You can be profitable from day one. You can start selling today. You can take any of the automations that I teach and sell them to clients. And again, like if you go to the AI Profit Boardroom as well, if you want to sell, like, for example, NA10 automations, then go to the classroom here. And if you want to learn how to use NA10, go to the templates and workflow section here and just start working through the videos and learning how to set them up, right? So for example, you can watch the training video here that shows you how to set up NA10 viral reels. It walks you through the process, and it's got the JSON file that you can actually import into NA10 right there as well, right? And so I'll put that inside the resources section here too. And then now you know, right, here's how to do Upwork, here's how to do Fiverr, here's how to learn NA10. And so there's literally nothing stopping you apart from yourself from starting to make money as an AI agency and freelancer, right? You can do that today. The same with the affiliate marketing. There's nothing stopping you from beginning to do this stuff. Now, I want to take a step back here because, you know, I'm showing you all these different income streams. I'm showing you how I built an 8-figure business with AI. I'm showing you all the processes and the trainings and how to do this step by step with proof it actually works, right? Which is great. And Adrian Gill says, I've got to dive deeper into the training for sure. Be interested to know what you want to learn more about as well. And the Motion Man says, can you post this to your Twitter? Yeah, so it is on Twitter, this live stream. So the live stream is here. And then if you want to get the video notes, let me grab the video notes over here. I'm just going to save this module. And then we'll go over here. And you can get the video notes here. All right. So if you want to get the video notes, you get them right there. You just click on that. Boom shakalaka. Thanks, Motion Man. There we go. All right, so we've already talked you through 2 different methods on how to make money with AI, right? The AI affiliate engine and also the AI agent engine as well, right? Now I'm going to show you a lot more in a second, but these are some of my best methods. And these are the proven methods for me. Now, if you have any questions as we go along, just feel free to ask. If this is helping you, just let me know. Just, you know, smash a like on the live stream or just drop me a comment, just so I know, like, I'm moving in the right direction and I'm getting some feedback in terms of, okay, this is helpful for people. Otherwise, I don't know, you know. I could be just talking nonsense and nobody's listening. So we've got Adrian smashes a like on it. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate that. So this is helping people, I believe. And what we're going to do next is we are going to move on to the next method, which is the YouTube AI ATM. Now, I think this is pretty much infamous at this point. I think like so many people know what we're talking about, know what we're doing. Michael says, is this live or pre-recorded? This is 100% live. So this is me right now talking to you. I kind of want to do, I don't know if anyone knows this, right? There's a guy, he's obviously quite famous, but I kind of want to do like his method and become like this in the AI space. If anyone knows Dave Ramsey, love him or hate him, right? That's not my point. But my point here is he does like 2 or 3 hours of live streams every single day, right? And his videos absolutely crush. People just genuinely prefer it, right? So it's very hard to compete with my AI avatar. Like, he seems to destroy me every single day. He seems to, he doesn't sleep, he doesn't eat, he doesn't complain about pay, he doesn't ask for a pay rise, he doesn't complain or get lazy.